for today's video, we are going to talk about the indirect function. This is my favorite function, and I will show you why this is my favorite function. Baga ito yung best pick ko once na mag-work ako in multiple sheets. In multiple tabs like this. Kung nakikita nyo ngayon sa data natin, dito sa screen natin, we have data 1, data 2, data 3, and then we have Kevin. The tab. Okay? So here is our master data or our master file. So let's work on this. So explain ko lang muna kung ano itong mga to. For now, our formula is indirect the day, but we will be using the sum ifs. The main formula that we are going to talk about is indirect. Okay? Sa loob ni sum ifs. For now, I will show you what's the importance of indirect. Ito ay yung it will allow us to work on multiple tabs. To sum in multiple tabs. Hindi na tayo kailangan pa natin, like for example is may mga total tayo dito, or say this is total nito is ito. Nasasabi natin nasa permanent row and column siya, D10. Okay, let's do this on the other tab. Okay, so we will get the total per tab. Say, okay, total for this is this, and then let's say this 6-1 or June 1 is tab 1, then 6-2 is tab 2, then okay, total ng 6-2 is this, and total ng tab 3 is this. Okay, is this. Okay, see, medyo isipin mo na lang na you have 30 days on the month, so you have 30 tab. Okay, so it's a bit tedious process. Baga napakahabang process na i-manual mo siya laging ganito. Equals 1 equals tab 2 equals total of tab 3. So medyo matrabaho siya. Tapos kukunin mo is for specific person lang. Ganun. Like this, Kevin, Ronnie, Max. So let's say kukunin lang natin is for Max. So medyo Max, ito, paano kung multiple data si Max? Let's say si Max is meron pa sa 10, and then so on. You have a lot of data per tabs, and you would like to sum it by the date, by the tab, and by the names, like this sample. So we have different names and we have different dates. So ito total natin siya by dates and by names na hindi natin ima-manual. Okay, paano manual? Like this. Sum ifs. Oops, here's my sample na. Well, let's delete this one. Okay, sum ifs. Let's go to tab 2 because here's the June 2, tab 2, and then column D, lock it by putting a $sign before the column letter, comma, and then we will sum it by names. So column A, lock it by pressing F4 or inserting a $sign before the column letter. Okay, then let's go back to the main file, choose Kevin. Oh yeah, because Kevin, lock natin yung, or let's insert the $sign before the column A. Ilalock natin yung column A kung saan nakalagay yung name. Hindi natin lalak si row because gusto natin dynamic siya na pag binaba natin yung formula, bababa din yung names. Okay, so let's see. Tab 2 for Kevin is 89. Tab 2 for Kevin is 89. So that's the manual formula na long process siya. Isipin mo gagawin mo siya by tab 3 din. Oh. Kasi tignan nyo to. This one. Tab 2, tab 2. Kung idadrag natin siya papuntang right, so hindi nagbago yung tab niya. Same tab pa din. Okay? But nag-stay pa din yung column D, column A, column D is the sum range, yung sinasum natin, and then yung column A is the list of name per tab. Then, itong A6 is yung dito sa master data natin na name. Yung pinaka-reference, yung criterion niya. Okay? So, medyo mahabang process. Isipin mo, gagawin mo pa siya. I-edit mo pa to. Gagawin mo 3. 3. And then, you have a lot of data. Let's say, nasa 31 days of the month. Like that. No. 10 nga lang, medyo nakakapagod na. Isa-isahin mo i-edit yun. For now, we will be using this formula. I mean, ito yung ginawa natin formula kanina. And then, isa-isahin natin sa indirect. Ang kailangan lang natin dito is marunong tayo mag-concatenate or familiar tayo sa concatenate. What is concatenate? Ito yung pag-join ng mga text or ng isang formula by using ampersand to join them, by using double quotation at before or the beginning of the text and at the end. For example, we will join this name and total. Okay, name ampersand total. So see, name total. Paano lalagyan natin siya in between? Let's put a text like dash, double quotation for text, then ampersand. So name dash total. If you want to put a space, then let's put a space in between the double quotation. Okay, name dash total. Isa-isahin natin ngayon itong sum ifs. Ang kailangan natin dito is si dash, si single quotation. Itong number 2 is ito. Again natin ito ngayon 1. Let's say ito yung mga tab number natin. Yan. I-add natin yan. So let's say itong 2 is naka-reference dito. Okay, so stay pa to single quotation hanggang column D. So, ilakalak lang naman si D because nasa single, dun lang naman naka-reference yung sum range natin. Same lang din dito. So, kailangan na single quotation. Itong number 2, ito siya. Dito natin siya i-refer. And then, single quotation hanggang column A. And then, itong A6 natin is dito sa master data na natin, which is ito siya, si Kevin. Okay, sundan nyo lang po yung mouse ko, and then that's it. Let's break it out. So, indirect function, double quotation para text, itong si single quotation natin, ampersand, to join, doon kay text, itong reference na 2. Ito yung pinaka-goal natin, dapat dynamic to. So, ang ilalak lang natin is yung row 4. Hindi yung column D. Pag nilak natin yung D, hindi na siya mag-move. Mag-stay lang siya sa D. Pag minove natin sa right, yung formula, ima-manual nyo pa. So, kailangan na nakalak lang is yung row 4. Then, don't forget the ampersand. Ngayon, itong remaining text, kailangan naka-text siya. So, double quotation at the beginning and double quotation at the end. Okay? So, hit enter. Nag-error siya. Bakit? Kasi hindi natin sinara yung indirect. So, don't forget that one. Indirect. Close na si indirect. Si sum ifs na talaga. Sorry. Tanggalin natin to. There you go. So, indirect. Tapos na tayo kay una. Then, ito naman yung indirect natin. Indirect. Double quotation at the beginning of single quotation and at the end. Ampersand, then si reference nyo is number 2, lock the row 4, ampersand, double quotation, hanggang dito na kay column A, then close the indirect function. There you go. Same result. Walang nagbago. Kung i-move natin siya sa right, magbabago siya. I mean, iba yung result kasi naka-reference siya kay 3. Okay? So ngayon, paano kung gusto ko mawala itong mga to kasi medyo pangit tignan sa table ko, sa dashboard ko, may 1, 2, 3 dyan sa taas ng date. Yeah, that's the reason we will be using the day function. Day function will allow us to calculate kung pang ilang araw ba yung date mo dun sa month. Day. Then choose this one. 1. Okay? So, don't forget to lock yung row number kasi mag-stay lang tayo sa row 5, this one. Pero si column ang magbabago pag dinalag natin yung formula. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. Ngayon, since tatanggalin ko na to, anong gagawin ko? Kunin ko na lang tong formula. Yan. Ngayon, change natin kung saan naka-reference yun. Yung D4. Change natin yan to D5. And then, same here. Change. And then, we can delete this one na. Then,